Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to customize the theme on this device. Let's start with unlocking the device, and now we have to open the menu. So simply press this button in the middle. Now let's go down and left to find the settings. Let's tap on select, mark select. Then we have to go down to the personalization and press select, so the middle button, and go down to the theme. Let's press select. And as you can see, basically all we can do here is to change the colors of this indicator, which highlights the specific app which you want to open. So now we've got the blue one, green one, yellow, orange, and this pinkish, purplish, something like that. So let me choose maybe this blue one. So just mark the option you'd like to use and press select to confirm. And now we can go back, enter the menu, and as you can see, the circle is right now in the color which we've just chosen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.